Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable black and white grayscale screen on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro using the zoom filter. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on settings. In settings, we want to go down and tap on accessibility, then tap on zoom. Then go down here and tap on zoom filter, and in here you can choose grayscale. So you can see when we are choosing grayscale and when zoom is turned on, you can see the screen will be in grayscale. So if we go back in here in the zoom filter, you can also use the grayscale inverted, and so that apply to the whole screen. Now if we go back into settings, we can also just choose a simple inverted or low light or none, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back. So if for some reason your screen go black and white grayscale, you can go back in here and turn it off by selecting none, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.